ain't all the way to the white line, but that's good.
Okay.
Turn, ain't that something?
Oh.
Turn this way. Turn this way. Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh!
Get 30% off your Quora when you text HELP to 64,000.
Okay.
Need a judge sit back for?
Oh, God. Okay, got it.
Alright. Push your brake.
So the right is for make it run, right?
Right.
And the middle to
For your
stop
brake.
it.
Use 1 feet.
Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, here we go.
Use your brake. Push your brake all the way down on your brake.
Okay, wait. Brake is the middle.
Right. Push all the way down on your brake.
Okay. All right. All the way down.
Take your gear shift. Pull it to you.
Okay.
Put it in drive. Pull it to you.
Okay. Oh, God.
Pull it to you.
Okay. Oh, my God. Okay. So it's going to move by itself?
Let off the brake. Get up off the brake.
Okay, wait. I'm trying. Okay. Where I'm going?
Just go straight.
Okay. Am I going too slow? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's speed up.
Hit your gas a little bit. Stay straight. Stay straight.
Okay. I'm straight my wheel.
I do this in the robot.
You got to stay on this side.
Okay. And then what do I do?
Come on, turn.
Okay, I'm turning. Wait, oh God, I'm looking at it. Yeah, I didn't hit him. Look, Rick, they went away from me.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Straighten your wheel up.
Okay, straighten the wheel. Okay. They moved away from me. Okay, and I can put a little gas on it.
Go ahead.
Hi. Okay, and get
Straighten
ready to
your wheel.
turn.
Right. Turn.
Left.
Straighten your wheel. Just straighten your wheel for right now.
Get straight.
Start turning
Okay, start
left.
turning in.
The Ice Bar, Lounge and Restaurant at 5456 West Fayetteville Road, Southside.
Let your wheel go, but keep control of it. All right. Let it go. Keep control of your wheel. Always keep your hand on your wheel.
Okay.
Straighten the car out.
Okay. Okay. Am I good?
The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the average aircraft technician in Atlanta
Go all the way up.
makes $83,000 per year.
And start to ease up a little so I can stop.
Slowly press your brake. Not totally. You don't have to slow it that far down, actually.
Okay.
You're not to the see that white line.
Okay, so I gotta get
That's
to
where you got to stop at.
Okay. Okay. So now I start turning.
Yeah.
There's nothing coming.
Specific salary information for you. Visit traintomorrow.com. At AID, we train tomorrow's technicians.
Press your gas.
Okay.
Hit your gas.
Okay.
Turn your wheel.
Okay.
Turn your wheel.
All right.
Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel.
Okay.
What is it that makes you uniquely you?
Come on, Aisha.
Okay.
You
All
know
right,
this
I
part.
got it. Okay.
Okay, I got business. And frankly, it shouldn't be the business of any tech company. Protect your privacy
Am I going
online
to
for free with DuckDuckGo.
So do I go left?
Turn your wheel. Yeah.
So turn in. Okay.
Come on, man.
I'm not gonna do this.
All right. Not all the way. Not all the way. Let your wheel
Okay,
go.
let it go.
Let
Okay.
it. Keep control of your wheel though.
Okay, I keep taking my hand off it.
Stay on this side.
Okay. Okay, I get it. I can't remember
Let your
how
wheel
to
go.
let the wheel
Keep
go. And keep my hand on
on
it.
your wheel.
Okay, I got it this time.
Go ahead, straight up. Watch that car. Push on the gas a little bit. Give it a little gas. I'm scared to give it a little gas. Let up on your wheel. Let up on your wheel. Let up on your wheel.
I did it!
Go ahead, go
I
straight.
did it! Okay.
Now turn right here.
Okay.
Watch the pole. Watch the pole. Watch the pole.
Okay. I got it.
Go ahead, keep straight
Okay,
up.
I'll go there.
Watch the pole. Watch the pole.
Okay, I see it.
Watch-
I see it. Okay, that guy's. Uh-oh, you got a bump.
Go
so
ahead.
I got a curve.
Watch the pole.
I got it.
Your main object is the pole. Turn right. Turn. Lord, have mercy. I don't have a heart attack.
You're not going to die of a heart attack. I'm not running.
Straight. All right, straighten your wheel.
Okay, my wheel's going back now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, ease up. You can give it a little gas.
Okay.
You got to slow down when you get to that line. Alright, slow down, slow down. Ease on your
So
brake.
I can check both sides. Okay,
gotta
see
call
that car is coming. So I can't move.
Peachtree City Kids Market.
Wait, oh, I'm going right.
I'll show you that sign.
Oh.
Turn. Don't run into the building.
No, I'm not going into the...
Give it a little gas while you turn.
Okay.
Give it a little
okay.
gas.
I didn't know. I didn't want to go...
Straighten your wheel, straighten your wheel, straighten your wheel.
Okay.
No, go ahead, you're turning now.
Oh, shoot. I thought that...
I want you to go straight.
Oh, okay, I see. Look, I let the wheel go, but... okay, so that straightens it back up.
Keep straight, give it a little gas.
I'm
Sometimes
scared. Oh.
you don't have to give it much gas, just give it enough gas.
Okay, I got it.
Go ahead. Yo, you sat there, remember, you gotta stay on this side.
Okay.
You gotta stay on this side.
Okay. Where I'm going? Okay.
Turn.
I give it a little
Alright,
gas.
turn. Let your wheel go. But keep control of it. Alright, let your wheel go. Ease up on it.
I'm driving.
Nah, make a right turn right here.
Wait, I think I'm doing something wrong.
Go ahead. Just make a right turn.
I'm not signaling.
Just make a wheel to get that later. Make a right turn. Alright, straight. There you go.
I think I got the straighten the wheel part. Oh my God, there's a car coming.
Turn. Watch that car.
Like this?
I'm getting around the car.
In that case, you should see my fan paper shit. You don't want to see
Turn. Straighten the wheel up. Now go ahead straight. Always stay on this side.
Okay.
You always stay on your right side. Slow it down.
Okay, slow down to that white line so I can see.
Turn. You ain't all the way to the white line, but that's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Turn, ain't that
That's a
something?
car. Oh.
Turn this way. Turn
Okay.
this way. Oh!
Okay.
Shit.
I got it. Okay. I got it.
Keep straight.
Okay.
Straighten your wheel up.
Okay.
Straighten your wheel up.
Oh my God. Okay. Am I turning?
No, keep straight.
Oh,
Keep straight.
All right. See, I told you I can't put gas. I can't put this.
Turn. Yes, you can.
just in case. Wait a second, what did I
Alright, straighten your wheel up. Let your wheel go.
It's not going. It's not
Straighten your
going
wheel
by
up.
itself.
Yeah, no, you just got to control your wheel at all times. It ain't gonna do it by itself all
I
the
thought it was
time.
gonna do it by itself.
No, you got to control. Stay on this side. Right? You should stay on this side.
Okay, I'm on this side.
Stay on this side. This side of the road. You going that way, so you got to stay on this side of the road.
People are probably looking at me.
Remember, always stay on this side. The oncoming traffic is coming to your left. You stay to your right. Turn right.
just run them over? They
I'll
want
give
to
my position last time.
You don't like being?
Alright, turn right here. That's right. Don't be scared to give no gas.
Oh, I thought the wheels go back by itself.
No, sometimes it do, sometimes it don't, depending on the situation you're in.
Oh, okay, so I'm making left?
No, turn right here.
Left?
You finished?
Yeah.